Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Wild Badger Power 40 volt hedge trimmer. This thing is capable of cutting sticks and branches up to 1 inch wide. So we're going to open it up, we're going to demonstrate it, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. Alright, so as we get this out of the box here, we're going to find a couple pieces to start with. You'll have your battery. Again, 40 volt. And you'll have your charger. Simple wall charger. This will go and click in just like that. Then of course you'll have the actual trimmer. And a full set user manual. Please make sure you review it. So as we get this open, I want to show a couple things. Alright, so as we get up close, what I want to show is the ability to twist this. Just press this button down, and this will give you 180 degrees of twist. So if you have a trim like so, it'll allow you to keep your hands however you want to really do it. But it gives you flexibility on the twist here. And then of course your battery is going to go and click in right there. You'll have your safety squeeze there, and then you'll have a squeeze here as well. So we'll demonstrate that. And then of course you'll have a blocker here. This will come off. Just slide right on and off, and as you can see, very large. So we'll go ahead and we'll get this charged up, and then we'll test it out outside and let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right. So first thing, again, what we're going to do to turn this on is we're going to hit our release button here, and then we're going to turn the power on with this button. And then to get the front moving, we're going to have to hold this right here. So again, it's this button, then the front. So we're powered up, and the only way to get it going is right there. So let's just show the trimming capability. And we're also going to turn this a little bit for some use. One thing to be concerned about, not concerned, is aware of, is the edge, because a lot of times you'll just kind of hit that dirt. So you might kind of dig a hole with the edge, or a line in your cutting. But I want you to just see. I'm gonna come around. Just going to show you this piece that I'm going to cut right off right now. Once we get, I'll show you. Hopefully you'll be able to see this. Put this on here. As you can see, I mean, it cuts right through some really thick stuff. So up to 1 inch. As you can see, it really chopped through a lot of stuff very, very easily. So trim as you wish. This thing is absolutely awesome. Totally worth buying. Hope this review helps.